welcome back to my channel. My name is Marilena and today we're going to be reviewing Glossier skincare products. Okay, so as you guys know, or if you don't know, Glossier started shipping to Canada and I was over the moon excited to try out their products, though I've tried them before, but try out more of their products. The first one I got was the Milky Jelly Cleanser, the conditioning face wash, and this stuff is amazing. I love it a lot. It's really gentle. I think it has saline solution in it, or saline in it, the same stuff that you use in contact lenses. So it's super gentle around your eyes. You can open your eyes while using it. So far, I really like it. However, if you have any sort of makeup on, it will not remove your makeup. This does absolutely nothing for that. So I would recommend using it if on days that you don't wear makeup, or on just right in the morning, just when if you wash your face in the morning. This is a really great one. I really do like it. It leaves your face really moisturized or conditioned. And sometimes if you don't feel like wearing moisturizer that day or right away, I feel like you already feel like you are wearing moisturizer because of this. So I give this a thumbs up for sure. Definitely not for taking makeup off, but everything else, it does the job. It's very simple. I would kind of compare it to Spectro Gel, if anyone remembers using that. That's what this consistency is like. And the smell of it is very mild. I think it smells like, yeah, it's like a mild, rosy, clean smell. And yeah, so I really like it. The packaging is great. It hasn't leaked or anything, and I've definitely traveled with it. So definitely give this one a 4 out of 5. 4 just because it doesn't remove any makeup if you're wearing it. So this was a really good one. The product that I was really excited to try but kind of skeptical was the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Rich. Now this is different than the Priming Moisturizer. The only reason I was skeptical is because I've tried the Priming Moisturizer before in the past, and that one seemed to really irritate my eyes. Like my eyes would just water up and feel really hot when I used it, so I thought maybe I was allergic to it or something. But this stuff is amazing. I think this is my favorite thing that they have in their entire collection of what I've tried. It has a very luxurious lavender scent, and it goes on really, really smoothly and doesn't leave any sort of a greasy feeling or anything like that. It basically just gets suctioned into your skin. Your skin just drinks it up, and yeah, you're just left with very moisturized skin afterwards. And also I find that it mattifies your skin a little bit. So yeah, this one is definitely a win. It is 50 milligrams. I don't know if that's a lot, but I feel like maybe it's just me, I use a lot when I use this stuff, and I don't know how long it will last, but for right now, I really like it. Love the smell. It doesn't linger on your face, so if you don't like scents on your face, this definitely doesn't linger. I haven't noticed any sort of breakout or anything from it. It's just very good, great, basic moisturizer. So Glossier has supers, or that's what they call their serums. The one that I got was the Super Pure. It has niacinamide and zinc in it. So niacinamide, I think, is supposed to help to restructure your skin, resurface your skin, and just keep it nice and moisturized and healthy. And zinc is supposed to combat any sort of bad bacteria that can cause breakouts. So this stuff I find is really good. It doesn't last very long. Like, I haven't had it for that long and it's almost gone. So that's the one thing that I don't really like about it, but everything else is really good. It goes on like water. It almost feels like you're dropping water on your skin. So maybe that's why. Maybe I use it too much. So I don't know if you guys use this stuff, let me know, and let me know how fast you go through it. But I really do find that it makes a difference if I get like little zits or anything like that. I put it on and then the next day they're reduced significantly, if not gone. It's really good. Like I said, I probably used too much of it, and maybe that's why it works really fast. But yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say about this product. It doesn't smell like anything. The packaging is super cute, super clean, just like all of the other Glossier stuff. And yeah, I really like the stuff. The only thing is I wish that it was a little bit bigger. so that I didn't go through it so fast, or maybe I'll just use a little bit less. But this one I would give, again, a 4 out of 5. Oh, and I didn't rate this one. This is definitely a 5 out of 5. The Priming Moisturizer Rich. But yes, the Glossier Super Pure is a 4 out of 5. Only because, not because the product is bad, but just because I don't think you get enough. The next two products are body skin products. And this is the reason why I made the order in the first place. And they are the Body Heroes. So if anyone's seen the campaigns, they're really cool. They target women of all types of women, which I think was awesome. They had like billboards around like California and stuff of women of all sizes, completely naked. I mean, covering, but completely naked, showing being body positive, which is amazing. So yeah, the Body Hero products. I have the shower oil and the body daily perfecting cream for your body. I'll go into the shower oil first. This stuff smells so good. It smells like neroli, but also like what you would imagine Barbie to smell like. That's how I would describe this as. It comes out as an oil, which I think makes your whole shower experience feel really luxurious. And then when you kind of get it wet, it gets like milky and sudsy. I use it with one of those like foamy thingies and it kind of exfoliate with it. But this is amazing. You feel so moisturized and so clean afterwards, and you smell so good. I definitely think that this is like a 6 out of 5 because this is my new favorite body wash of all time. I always just feel so much better after using it, and you definitely feel a little bit more special after. It is gynecologically tested too, so you could use it on your nether regions and not have problems, so that's awesome. And yeah, I can't say enough good things about this. The ingredients are actually pretty clean. Like, there are some things that are kind of questionable, but for the most part I think they're pretty clean for what I research on the cosmetic database. So this is definitely a win. I love this stuff so much, and I will repurchase this over and over again. The Body Hero, the Daily Perfecting Cream, this is also the same smell, same scent. I love it. This is almost like airbrush for your body. So I wouldn't use this on a daily basis because I just think I mean, you can if you want to, but I do think that you'd go through it really quickly. But if you ever just wearing like a short skirt, or you're showing off your arms, or like even your décolleté area, and you put it on, it almost has like, it doesn't have a shimmer in it, but it has like an iridescence, and it makes your skin just look flawless. If anywhere you put it, it just makes your skin feel flawless. It is moisturizing. I mean, I don't see any special moisturizing aspects there. It's just like a regular moisturizer for me. I find that the shower gel gets me more moisturized than this, but it makes your body look amazing. I don't know. I'll do a shot of me putting this on so you can kind of see what I'm talking about, but definitely this is, again, I think a 6 out of 5. This is a great product. My two favorite products from the entire line are the Body Hero products, so definitely check these out if you haven't. I think that they help boost body confidence just in general, just their campaigns and everything, and I do feel a lot better when I use these. They smell amazing, and yeah, these are the winners. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope that this review helped, and that if you were wanting to purchase some of their products, that you definitely check out the Body Hero. Otherwise, just let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll make more videos. Watch out for those, and thank you.